Good evening, Chennai Super Kings. Good evening, Dhoni. Ever since I'm sure that I'm speaking for 14,000 associates across UST Global when I say that the minute we heard that we've partnered with Chennai Super Kings, you began to transform our lives. And for the musicians of UST Global Music Cafe, we decided to write a song for you and dedicate this song to you. And we hope all of you will enjoy the song. Will all of you join us in the song? This is a song that celebrates the diversity of life, the diversity of IPL, the diversity of Chennai Super Kings. It's got languages in it, and it celebrates the diversity of a company like UST Global. And together, all of us are transforming lives. We'd like to dedicate this song to you.
Just feel it. These lemon lights are coming to the town. Just feel it. Just hear it. The whistle sobbing, blowing out loud.
आसमां के तारे आज होंगे हमारे आसमां आसमां
Control it, but you're never gonna get them to the ground. You can feel it, you can hear it, 'cause whistles sobbing, blowing out loud. CSK has come and see it. Hear it. Whistle sobbing, blown out loud. See it. Machapore, idu Chennai, Dillinda edura ninna parada. Machapore, idu Chennai. Illirunda edura ninna parada. Chennai, the Super Kings have come to town. Chennai. Chennai.